Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a fish dish. It's called Tandoori fried fish. For this we're going to need 2 whole tilapia fish. Then this is the tandoori spices that I'm going to use, vinegar and salt. Okay, so now I got this fish from Costco. Look at it. I've cleaned everything up, cut all the tail and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fillet this properly. And this is how you fillet. Go against the bone, okay? Go across the bone like this. The reason is we're gonna stuff all the seasoning and everything into this all the way. So you go both sides. Same thing you do this side. Okay, and then once you do all the way through, then you score it like this and you'll see the end product how it looks. Okay, as you can see, this has been filleted all the way through against the bone, this side and this side. Now you can see. So now all you do is you score this way, not all the way through, otherwise it will all cut up. And not deep, so all the marinate or the tandoori masala goes into the crevices and everything. Well, so same thing. Okay, so when I always prepare fish, this is what I do, especially a whole fish like this. You always add generous amount of salt. The reason I have to do this step is because it will get the fishiness out of the fish, okay? So you have to do this properly and then add some vinegar to it and let it sit for at least 10 minutes or so. Okay, so let's get back to the tandoori fish. We applied the salt and vinegar, let it sit for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to apply the tandoori masala generously all through the fish, well, through this, and rub it properly so it coats both the side of the fish. And let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so for our tandoori fish, we're gonna lightly fry it. So you gotta have a pan coated with oil so it doesn't stick, and let it get nice and hot. Okay, here we are. Gently place this. So on medium heat for at least 5 minutes on both sides. Now I'm going to cover it. Okay, so what I've done is basically just flipped it over. It was 5 minutes on this side on medium heat. Now I flipped it over, 5 minutes on this side. Let it steam, so 10 minutes the fish is ready. Okay, so we got the tandoori fish out. And this is our fantastic tandoori fish, which we're gonna enjoy. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!